everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited and so grateful. One of my subscribers, one of my friends, Annette, sent me a box and she said that I could open it here on our channel if I wanted to, and of course I'm like, hell yeah, I will. Thank you so much, Annette. And that just happened to be the winner of the monthly giveaway. She was drawing at random, and when I told her, she's like, oh my god, I just sent you a box. So I feel like that was like law of attraction, manifestation happening, or whatever there, if you guys believe in that. I do. But anyways, thank you, Annette, so much. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to do this together. You're so sweet. Never feel pressure to send me anything, anyone. Like, yeah. But thank you so much for doing so. I'm super excited. And that's been a subscriber for a while. I feel like we've known each other for years. Probably have. Sometimes I'm like, oh my god, have I really been on YouTube that long? Time flies. Oh my gosh, look how cute the tissue is. I'll poke it out. Oh my god, there's so much in here. And you wrapped it all so cute. Okay, is that like a freaking like llama sticker? What is it's so cute? Let's search it. Annette, oh my god, there's so much in here. You into this? I love scrunchies, and this is a pack of satin. Oh my god, you know me so well. The first item, I'm like, yes. Oh my gosh. They are so soft. How many? I'm so excited. Oh my god, and they're all so cute colored. Are these little stones? Oh my god, so cute. I'm so excited. You guys. I feel like when I send packages, I stuff them full of things and I don't wrap it cute. I'm sorry. I need to learn how to do that. You guys, oh, these are so cute. I don't want to drop them on the... Oops. Oh my god, it actually fell really just on my desk. Thank you so much. Oh my god, these are so precious. I'm going right back here. What a cute little container, too. Look, there's a little sachet. There's a shell in here, lavender, and a stone. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, and I know she made it all special. You're the sweetest. Annette, what? Oh my god, I see my favorite perfume too. This is so pretty. Another stone. Oh my god, I freaking, if you guys, you probably know if you're watching this right now, I love crystals and working with crystals, and this is so cute. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I don't think I have it though. Oh my god, no, you're so sweet. I'll put everything up here. I feel like oh my god. I'm so overwhelmed with gratitude right now. Thank you so much. Brown butter cookie cup. Are these cookies? Oh my god! My kid's coming over. She's like, what are you so excited about over there? Oh my god. A tower of, oh my god, wait, what is it? Tower special, best enjoyed today. Okay. Yay! It doesn't give me an excuse to eat them all right now. This is my Brown Butter Cookie Company. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is literally a tower of cookies. Do you know how much I love cookies? If not, well now you do. Oh my god, Annette, thank you so much. Oh my god. I am so excited. You're so sweet. You really do know me so well. Now I'm like rush through this because I'm like, I need to go eat some cookies because I'm literally, I love that it said enjoy it today. Like that like makes me be like, that's okay. You guys, this perfume smells so good. I love it so much. I've been loving this for years. Thank you so much. And look, I love baby cute perfumes. Like, so I love this. Okay, let's take this one. It smells so good. Arizona by Proenza Schuler. Did I not say that? Yeah. Are these Irish and cat socks? Annette, oh my god, this is like, you should be a subscription box like curator. Oh my god, these are so soft too. This is, yeah, St. Patrick's Women low cut socks, and they have freaking cats on them. If you guys don't know, my name is Kitty, and I love cats, and I'm Irish, and I love these. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I need to send you like 500 million more boxes. Candle, I love candles. This is Woodwick. Oh, I love Woodwick candles. It like the aesthetic of it in the background, like crackling. White teak. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. You guys, Annette, you are the sweetest, most amazing person. I want to like get on my phone right now and tell you. Where is my phone? Good question. Oh no. Ah, are these more stones? Look how cute this bag is. This is like the best box ever of things, and I open a lot of boxes. Oh, cool. I wonder where these are from. Maybe they're from like I know you go to like this beach by your place, but I'm so excited. Oh my god, I want to text you right now, and I'm not even done. Tell you how much I love you. This is amazing. You made my life. I thought I was in a good mood before this. Now I'm like, my vibes are way high. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, is this a little kitty howlite? Oh my gosh. I have another cat figuring a different stone on my altar for my deceased cat. Well, they transitioned, you know. Oh my god, so cute. It's gotta be Holly, right? Oh, there's two of them. This one looks like it's tiger eye. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put this on my altar for Archer and Fiona. Two little babies in heaven. Oh, I love them. And I love those two stones too, and the energies of them. Like Archer's like way more tiger eye, and Fiona was really like more howlite, like calming. And oh, thank you so much. I don't even think that was like the intention, but that's what I see them as. I'm out of this, and oh my god, this is like the perfectly curated box for me. Thrive Cosmetics mascara I've talked about for years too, like with the perfume. My favorite mascara by far, like times a million, trillion. I've been testing out other ones. They're like fine, but the whole like process of taking them off, this is just the best mascara. And I'm not the best person at favorites, like, because I love so many things, but by far the best in the world. Oh my god, thank you so much. I literally don't even have any, and I usually have like multiple and stuff. You are so sweet. Like, I want to send you something again right now. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god, little note. And I love so this too. This is Tropical Vibes, which, yeah, I'm all about that. And I'm in Florida, and it's notepads. And I write notes like all the time. Literally, I'm surrounded by like 6 notebooks and things like this, and this will be so used and right on my desk. And I love the green. I have a green couch. I don't know if you can tell. I just bought green sheets. I'm like, love green because it symbolizes like the heart chakra and abundance, prosperity, and I'm like, yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, I love this so much. And that you are the sweetest, kindest person ever. You went above and beyond, and like, I can't imagine a more perfect box made for me. Thank you so much. I'm getting right on my phone. If I need to find it. It used to really iWatch thing, Apple Watch, so I can just be like ping it. So thank you so much. Like, I can't even, like, thank you isn't even enough. Like, I'm so grateful. I love literally every single thing of this, and you put so much thought and like love into this. Like, and you make me want to cry. I want to go give you a hug. I wish I could for real. I'm just gonna like hug my kid. Thank you, Annette. I love you so much. This was so sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for allowing me to share this with everyone. Like, this is so nice. Like, you seriously made my day /life / like lives. Oh my god, thank you so much. And you even made me remember my little baby. Oh, everything is so perfect, right, Emmy? And I want to say goodbye to Annette and say thank you. So we can go eat cookies. Oh, that was her saying thank you, Annette. Thank you so much. I love you. I love all of you, but thank you so much. You just seriously made my day. So I'm going to go eat these cookies and message you while I'm eating them. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah.